would it be? And the easy answer and the obvious answer and the right answer is the F40. But this one is better than the rest. This car's been totally restored by DK Engineering over the last 2 years. Not only have we personalised it, refinishing it in Blu MD with these blue interior seats, we've carried out 4 choice upgrades. Our lightened flywheel and shorter drop gear for faster 0 to 60 acceleration. Our at a touch of a button front nose lift. And finally, and most importantly in my opinion, our ceramic disc and pad upgrade, which fits inside the standard caliper and the standard wheel. This hugely improves braking performance, but most crucially, eradicates that traditional F40 brake squeal.